Hello, good morning, student. Today we discuss about some important compounds that are formed. First one, sodium hydroxide. First compound is sodium hydroxide. Formula is NaOH. Sodium hydroxide, that is base. And how it is prepared. First one, when electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, also called as brine solution. 1 marks question with repeat हो सकता है. What is brine solution? Brine solution is concentrated sodium chloride solution. Sodium chloride solution is called as brine solution, and when electricity is passed through the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it forms sodium hydroxide. How it forms sodium hydroxide? Now discuss upon it. It decomposes to form sodium hydroxide. Decompose हो जाएगा and it forms sodium hydroxide. The process is called the chlor-alkali process. This process, the formation of sodium hydroxide, is called chlor-alkali process because the product formed chlor for chlorine and alkali for the sodium hydroxide. Important thing note करनी है, that is chlor-alkali process, formation of sodium hydroxide, and this process is also called as chlor-alkali process because chlor is taken from chlorine and alkali taken from sodium hydroxide. How the reaction proceed? Now see, sodium chloride when dissolved in dissolved in water, it form brine solution, and extra water to H2O liquid, it forms sodium hydroxide, that is base, plus chlorine gas plus hydrogen gas. That process is called as chlor-alkali process. Now chlorine gas is given off at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. Chlorine gas at the anode and hydrogen gas at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode, and sodium hydroxide solution formed near the cathode. There are the three products. There are the three products formed in this reaction. First one sodium hydroxide, second one chlorine, and third one hydrogen gas. How the reaction proceed? See this diagram, and it has two electrodes. First one, that is anode, which is attached to the positive terminal of the cell, and second one cathode, which is attached to the negative pole of the terminal of the cell, and that is the membrane. That is the membrane through which ions can pass through it. And brine solution is inserted along left hand side. Brine solution enter kita, it dissociate on decomposition when electricity is passed through it. The anode has positive charge, so negative charged ion like chloride ion, hydroxide ion move towards anode, and ions like sodium and hydrogen move towards cathode. So chlorine gas is collected towards anode, and hydrogen gas collected at cathode, and near the cathode we obtain on the other hand side, right hand side, sodium hydroxide, and that process is called as chlor-alkali process. Important process. With the help of diagram we clear all the concepts. Now next important compound is bleaching powder. Next important compound is bleaching powder. Bleaching formula calcium oxygen Cl2, calcium oxochloride. Chlorine is produced during chlor-alkali process. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of bleaching powder. chlor-alkali process which mean product bane hi sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen, and that chlorine is again used for the formation of bleaching powder, for the manufacture of bleaching powder. And bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine or dry slaked lime. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine. Chlorine the action होएगा slaked lime, chlorine, and it forms CaOCl2, that is bleaching powder plus water. First one, what is bleaching? Bleaching to remove the coloring matter. किसी भी substance the coloring matter है that removed with the help of bleaching agent, and it has formula CaOCl2. Okay, now the uses of bleaching powder. First one, for bleaching cotton in the textile industry. Bleaching powder यूज़ किया जाएगा इन द ब्लीचिंग कॉटन के डिफरेंट कलरिंग मैटर ਨੂੰ रिमूव करने वास्ते. सैकेंड, फॉर ब्लीचिंग वुड पल्प इन पेपर इंडस्ट्री. जिन्ना भी पेपर बन रहा है विद द हेल्प ऑफ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर वी रिमूव ऑल द कलरिंग मैटर फ्राम द वुड पल्प. एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट के तौर पर यूज़ किया जाएगा टू मेक ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फ्री फ्राम जर्म्स तो फ्री वाटर बनाना तो दैन भी असी इनू यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दैट इज़ ब्लीचिंग पाउडर. ऑल द पॉइंट्स क्लीयर हो जाएंगे अबाउट bleaching powder. Now we discuss about baking soda. Baking soda has formula NaHCO3. Na for sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, and commonly it is used in the kitchens for making tasty and crispy items. Sometimes it is used for faster cooking. ਅਸੀਂ ਛੇਤੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਫਾਸਟਰ ਕੁਕਿੰਗ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ then we can use baking soda. And the chemical formula is sodium hydrogen carbonate, or it is also called as sodium bicarbonate. And now how it is produced? It is produced using sodium chloride as one of the raw material. Sodium chloride used as the one of the raw material. Sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia. When they react, they form ammonium chloride plus sodium bicarbonate. And it is mild non-corrosive basic salt. Non-corrosive ਜਿਹੜਾ कि सानू नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाएगा, नॉन corrosive basic salt है. And the following reaction take place when it is heated during cooking. इन कुकिंग विच किचन दे विच वरत्या जाता है. And what happens when sodium bicarbonate heated in the furnace or on heating cooking दौरान it forms sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide, and it uses for making baking powder, which is a mixture of baking soda and a mild edible acid. Edible, that is can be eaten, जिन्हों मैं खा सकता, that is edible. Acid like tartaric acid. For making baking powder, which is a mixture of baking soda and mild edible like tartaric acid. When baking powder is heated, the following reaction take place. Sodium bicarbonate, hydrogen ion from acid, it forms carbon dioxide, water plus sodium salt of acid. Carbon dioxide produced during the reaction. Can cause bread to rise, making them soft and spongy. Due to formation of carbon dioxide, it leaves through the bread to making the bread soft and spongy. All the points clear हो जाएंगे बच्चे. Next also used as an antacid, acidity हो जाए. then we can use it in soda acid fire extinguishers. Soda water soda acid fire extinguisher which we ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Next, washing soda. Washing soda is prepared by Solvay's process. Washing soda prepared by Solvay's process, and in this process raw materials that required for the manufacture of washing soda by Solvay process are sodium chloride and ammonia. Sodium chloride and ammonia. How they react? See, sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia, these are the raw materials, and when they react they form ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate, and upon heating sodium bicarbonate it produces sodium carbonate, and that sodium carbonate is anhydrous. Anhydrous because water molecules are not present, but when it react with water it form water of crystallization. 10 water molecules are attached as water of crystallization, and that is called as washing soda. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. 10 deca word is used for 10. Decahydrate, and its uses: first one, sodium carbonate used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. It is used as cleansing agent for domestic purposes. Domestic purpose वास्ते इन washing वास्ते ਅਸੀਂ use कर सकते हैं, and it is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness of water can also be removed with the help of washing soda. Now last topic is, are the crystals of salt really dry? कि जिन्ने भी क्रिस्टल्स ਅਸੀਂ पढ़े ने उन्होंने ਦੇ ਸਾਲਟ पढ़े ने they are dry ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਵਾਟਰ ਮਾਲੀਕੂਲਸ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. ਫਾਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ ਵੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਅਬਾਊਟ copper sulfate crystals which seem to be dry contain water of crystallization. even मैं crystals देखा copper sulfate ਦੇ looking मैं उन्होंने देखा तो मैं कहांगा ये dry है, but they contain water of crystallization. when we heat crystals this water is removed and it turns white. जे मैं उन वाटर crystals ਨੂੰ हीट कर देना, it removed water and turns white. if moisten the crystal with water the crystal appears blue. again जे मैं ਉਹ crystal ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ water ਨੂੰ ਐਡ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗਾ then it again turns blue. water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit. In copper sulfate 5 water molecules are present. Copper sulfate 5 water molecule, that is water of crystallization, and it has blue color. upon heating it form copper sulfate, that is white, plus 5 water molecules are eliminated. and again if I add water, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਫਿਰ again water add ਕਰ ਦਿਆਂਗਾ, it again turns blue. Okay. next, washing soda has 10 water molecules: Na2CO3 decahydrate. gypsum have 2 water molecules. okay. ठीक है बच्चे, इन्ना तुसीं कर लेना. एनी डाउट होएगा तो मैनूं दस दिओ. थैंक यू.